Hello everyone, thank you for joining my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the leetcode question number 36, valid Sudoku. It marks as a medium. And let's look up the question. Determine if a 9 times 9 Sudoku board is valid. Only the field cell needed to be validated according to the following rule. 1. Each node must contain the digit 1 to 9 without repetition. 2. Each corner must contain digit 1 to 9 without repetition. 3. Each of the 9 times 9 sub-boxes of the grid must contain digit 1 to 9 without repetition. Okay, so here's a given valid example. And they have other example, valid, and they also have a first same example like one except 5 in the top left, 5 in the top left, and corner be modified to A. Okay, this A, you see, this A to A. So then we have 2 A's in the top left, 3 times 3 subway box. So that is invalid because in this square 0, it is invalid. They have a lot. A Sudoku board could be valid, but is not necessarily solvable. Only the field cell needed to be validated according to the mentioned rule. So you need to validate this 3 rule. And number 3, the given board contain only digit 1 to 9 and the character dot. So he's telling you either get a digit number character or just get a dot. Dot represent the empty space. And the given board size is always 9 times 9. So we need a looping. We're going to start the code. So we're going to looping through 9 to 9. We have a low, start with a 0. Definitely we have a 9 0. Also we need to have the corner. They have one scenario you don't need to validate. So if it is dot, you don't need to validate. So you just find it. If this situation, you just continue. Otherwise, we start validate. When we start validate, I need to have a place hold it. In this case, instead of just use the hash set or hash table, use 3, you actually only have a 1 to 9 and Unicode. So you push each one into related index. So instead of have a hash table, so I define even for square, you only have a 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 8, 7, 8, 9, 9 square. So you actually have a just short integer. So you define a row and also square, corner and square. So you definitely have a 9. If I found it, then I just if I find it, then means I'm going to push the value in. Otherwise, by default, they will all be 0. You have each sub-square. So once I coming in, I'm going to see if I could find it. If at the moment I need to get the value, first I'm going to get the value. The value actually is getting like by this. You get a character, so it is your character. You use this character minus character 1, then you get the digit value. And but you already minus the 1 if it is character 1 minus character 1, it will be 0, but you actually need 1, so you just shift it. So it come back to 1. Then you need a short, because you push into is a short, so you just convert it to short. And then you give this one is define this is short equal to your value. So you get the value. You use this value to compare if you have the value. And in here, they're all not the logic. They're not the Boolean, so their value, we just use a single AND. By default, you haven't pushed in, so the first time coming in, it will be 0. If first time coming in will be 0, second time coming in, you already pushed in. So if you have this has value and you already have existed, then you just return false. Same for the corner and the square. So you just the corner. Squares, you need times, use divide 3 and times 3. So you use 3 and times, and the low will divide 3. But you also have the corner, so plus divide 3. And this, let's find it. So for example, if you receive a low is you receive a low in here is 5. 5 if the low is 0 and corner is 0, so you get a square, it is 0. And if you go into here and this value is corner is 2. 2 divided 3 is 2, and but this corner is 1 0 1 3 0 1 2 3 4 4 divided 3 is 1, and no is 2. 2 divided 3 is 0, so this is 1. And carry on saying you could just calculate your math. In here, just like I said, this is second round you come in. First round you definitely have the value it is, but you by default they are be 0. You defined in here, they are actually by default is 0. So if you have the value, so I use this one, so you don't need to check if else. So you just equal to value. This is the bit or. So you either take this value or just this value. So it means you already exist. If you don't exist, then you update the low to the value. Also, you update the corner. And update the square. And once you loop all of them, finish it, you loop everything. You didn't find any failed scenario. One loop, second loop. Yes, this is the close function. Return true. So if you loop everything finish, you didn't find any failed scenario, then you return true. Just submit it. See, just test first. See, I have a syntax issue. Yes, 9:30. So if none see the end. It says first type is short, the second type is Boolean. Yeah, I get it. Actually, I expect both of them to be true, to be greater than 0. So it actually is supposed like this one, value and low, the value greater than 0. I expect both of them greater than 0. Same in here. Both of them then greater than 0. Let's try it again. Yeah, it accepted and it's submitted. Yeah, it's quite fast, 1 millisecond. So just let's have a look at it. So first, let's see the time complexity is all n square because you have two loops. You need a definite loop each of the value. If during the interview probably you need to explain and the time complexity in this hash map or hash set, they only have and for row only have a 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and the square they only have a 1 to 9 digit. So instead use hash square, just take the advantage, just use a square. So in here you have a square, you actually just you either is this value or afterwards you just this just update the value to this value. So second time you come in here, you need a value. So this is instead you use and because this is a bit and, so this is the value. So it means this greater than 0 and this both of them all greater than 0. Then you return false. It means you come in second time, this value already have, you see, you come into no one, and second time you come into you have an again. It means because this one instead of update the value, you actually update the row. So this row to 0, 1, 2, it reflects 0, 1, 2, and the row is to the exactly the same. So it's going to means you repeat it. So that is did the job. Thank you for watching.